I feel like stir fry was made for the griddle. So today I am making a super simple shrimp stir fry. And the thing that I love about it is because you just throw it all together, give it some good flavor and seasoning, and you're done. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. Let's get cooking.
I've got my griddle with a little bit of oil on it, and I'm tossing all those veggies on there. Just a mix of everything. Cabbage, snap peas, broccoli, peppers, carrots, onions, all going on there. And my first step, I'm just going to add a little bit of water, close that lid, and give it a good steam. I just want these vegetables to start softening, but I don't want to add too much oil or sugary sauce until they start cooking. Then I go down with a splash of garlic sauce and give it a nice little mix, move it off to the side, and that's where I add my shrimp onto the other side. Raw shrimp, some fresh pressed garlic, a little bit more of that garlic sauce, and I just start cooking and flipping till I get it almost cooked, not all the way cooked, because it's still staying on the grill as I'm mixing all the vegetables together and continuing to cook. I don't want overcooked shrimp. Another little bit of additional seasoning, I'm using soy sauce, a little bit of a splash, and a little bit of teriyaki sauce for some of that sugary sweetness. Mix that all together, and that is pretty much it. Dinner ready in probably about 10 minutes.
Key thing to remember is that seafood always cooks so quickly. It is one of the fastest things I cook. So get your vegetables to the consistency that you want before throwing on your seafood item. This is awesome. I love it just the way it is. Shrimp, veggies, lots of flavor. You can easily throw some rice or noodles into this dish and make it a little more hearty as well. Thanks for watching another episode of The Silly Kitchen. I will see you next time.